Welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely, delicious and healthy garlic tea. But first I'm going to take the skin off of this. You can smash it if you want, that's personal preference. Take this pot out. So I'm going to use 2 cloves today. If you're new here, please remember to like, share and subscribe for more content like this. A lot of people don't like garlic, but garlic is very healthy. It's good for cold, it's good for lowering blood pressure. Garlic contains vitamin B6, vitamin C, and the most important part is the chemical in it called allicin, which is a type of antioxidant that speeds up your metabolism and also responsible for positive effect. It's also good for heart health and good for cleansing the body. So I'm going to take you through the process. First, what I'm going to do, just take a small knife. Make sure you just cut it up. When you cut it like this, let it sit for probably about 3-4 minutes. So let it sit for about 3-4 minutes. So what I'm going to do, get your pot. Let's put it in your pot. I'm going to pour about a cup of water in. So I'm going to bring this to a boil. Just put a lid over it. So now after the tea is ready, and this is optional. You can go ahead and use some honey if you wish, for those who like honey. Bit of lemon. This is optional. Then you can just strain your garlic tea off. And this, for best practice, first thing in the morning, drink this on an empty tummy. Ladies and gentlemen, here it is. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and leave positive comment. Thank you for watching.